Yeah, what's good YouTube? This is my first ever YouTube account, my first ever YouTube video. And this is basically just the introduction video where I tell you guys more about what I'm gonna be posting on this channel. As you guys can see by the name of the account, I'm gonna be posting trading content, mainly trading content. So whether it's giving you guys advice on becoming better traders, teaching you guys, and also maybe doing trading challenges like flipping small accounts to big accounts. After this video, I'm gonna be posting a video on psychology. So this is gonna be my first video where I give you guys advice. But I basically just wanted to make this video is my first video where I just give you guys an introduction and tell you guys more about what I do and what I'm gonna be posting. If you're gonna be like if you guys wanna show me like my let's say a year from now when I'm big on YouTube, so maybe 500k subscribers. I wanna see who is my day ones on YouTube. So make sure to comment down. You can comment anything really. Just comment down so that I can see one day who has been there since day one. Also subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then yeah, do the most.